Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you guys doing? Inshallah you guys enjoyed that short sequence. I had a lot of fun editing it and I had a great time that weekend diving with. I went with a couple of my friends and some of which I got to meet again after years of not seeing them, and it was really nice. It was a really awesome trip. So we were in Musandam for 2 days on a liveaboard, which is the first time I do a liveaboard, where we spent the whole time and sleep on the boat. The night before, my friends and I decided, hey, we have a day to kill, so let's go spend the night at Ras Al Khaimah. They leave Thursday night at 10 p.m. and then they're back at Saturday at around 7 p.m. in the evening, which is good. So for a lot of you who work full time, you guys can go for a weekend and have a fantastic, really awesome, relaxing and epic weekend, and then just come back and not take any days off, which is great. I did my dive for about 1,400 dirhams, and it's all inclusive of food and all the meals, so breakfast, lunch and dinner. It was really good food, and I think it's really worth it. I already have my advanced license, so that helped. And for those of you who are kind of trying to get new licenses, it's almost about like 3,000 dirhams all inclusive with the boat, which I think is worth it, because you get to spend 2 days on a boat and see amazing people and get dives in with your friends. So even if your friends have their licenses, you can go down with them on dives and get points towards your certification. On the boat, all you had to get was your sleep bag, good pillow. They kind of provided mattresses and we slept on the top of the boat, which was really nice. So it was awesome kind of waking up to the sunrise and enjoying sunset while on a boat the whole time for the past 2 days. But yeah, you need a good sleeping bag, pillow, and yeah, blanket not so much, as long as you have a good bag, a really good wind resistant jacket because it does get super windy, and then stuff to keep you warm at night like beanies, thermos, that kind of stuff. And again, we went in the second week of February. Woo! Had a great Valentine's with my buddies. Yeah. So we went with Nemo Diving Center, and our divers and guides were Mustafa, Samir, Saeed, and Kareem. They're really cool, fantastic energy, very professional, and they're an awesome crew. We had a good time. On the second, it was a bit cold, but the wetsuits honestly made it feel like nothing. So even in the middle of winter, you guys can go in no problem. We're very lucky with our waters here in the Gulf and in the Middle East. And on the second day, I kind of felt like I didn't want to dive and get into the cold water, so I decided to go fishing with Ray, and that was a lot of fun as well. And if you guys go fishing on day 1, you guys can cook it at night and on day 2, which is really nice as well. So just keep that in mind. It was good. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys go out more and explore more. And if there's any questions you may have, just let me know, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.